Hey friends, if HDMI ports are not working on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. But before the resolutions, I'll explain the main cause. So this has happened with me as well. What happens is that we rarely use the HDMI port these days. I mean, mostly we use the USB ports. So they get rusted, and this is exact what I would use, or at least they develop a film on them which inhibits these connections. So the primary cause behind the problem is that there is an issue with the physical connections. And what can be done? Well, it has to be changed in that case. But yes, there are some things we can try at the software level. The first one is to run the hardware and devices troubleshooter. Now the command for it is msdt space hyphen id space device diagnostic. So press the Windows key and the R key together, paste it and hit enter. This will open the hardware and devices troubleshooter. Click on next and it will start detecting problems and solve them if possible. The next solution is to update the graphics card driver. How? Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Expand the list for display adapters and then you'll find the graphics card drivers. Update both of them one by one. Okay. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.